Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Ford Focus door locks. First, determine if the issue is electrical or mechanical. Check all door locks with your key fob and the interior switch. Listen closely for any clicking sounds from inside the door panel. This initial check helps pinpoint whether the actuator, wiring, or a physical obstruction is causing the problem, guiding your next steps effectively. Next, you'll need to access the internal components. Begin by carefully removing any visible screws and trim pieces that hold the door panel in place. Use a trim removal tool to avoid damage. Once the fasteners are out, gently disconnect all electrical connectors for switches and lights. Then, carefully pry the door panel away from the door frame, revealing the inner workings. Often, the door lock actuator is the culprit. Once the door panel is off, locate the actuator. Disconnect it from the lock rod and the electrical wiring harness. Carefully install the new actuator, making sure all connections are firm and correctly seated. Before putting everything back together, test the new actuator with your key fob and interior switch to confirm it's working properly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your door. Carefully align the door panel clips and press it firmly back into place. Reconnect all electrical components, such as window switches and lights, and secure any screws you removed earlier. Perform a thorough final test of all door lock functions, including both manual and remote operations, to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.